guys, it's me, Tia Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be my Empties products I used up. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. I got so many Empties to show you guys. I'm not going in order. I'm just going to show you guys. And it's a relaxing Sunday. I have no makeup on. And I'm just chilling. We're going to get into these Empties so I can throw these out because I'm about to go take my trash out. So we're going to start off with this. This is the Bay Bliss Pro Mirror Curl Prep. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And I use this whole thing. Like, I've had it, when did I do a haul on this? About a month ago. Works very well, works great on Grace's hair, works great on Christian's hair, Justin's hair, and mine. And it's just a leave-in detangler to help detangle the hair. It worked well on this hair too, because I used it for this hair too. Even though this hair is not curly, I was able to use it to get like some of the kinks out. So it worked pretty well. I am impressed with it, and for $1, I mean, you can't beat it. So would I repurchase it? No, because I have three backups of it, so I think I'm set. First up, this 2-pack of the cinnamon and clove buds. I would not repurchase this. I don't like the scent. I don't like it at all. I don't know why. I thought I would like it because of the cinnamon, but the clove bud just threw me off, and I wasn't a big fan of this, so no, I will not repurchase. I got through my Champagne Toast Pop Fizz Clink. Looks just like this. Oh my goodness, I only have one remaining. I only have one Champagne Toast remaining, and I'm getting nervous because I absolutely love this scent. So when it does come back this December, because I think it normally comes out in December, I am going to load up. When I tell you I'm going to get like 6 or 7, I am, because I love Champagne Toast. I didn't know how much I loved it till it's almost gone, because I only have one lotion left, and then I have that gold shimmer spray mist in it. And it's halfway used up, so I'm like, I have to be very sparingly with it, but I absolutely love Champagne Toast, so definitely I will always repurchase it. The next item is the Cranberry and Sweet Orange Body Scrub. I will not repurchase this body scrub. This is from Bolero. If you guys can see it, it's from Bolero. It was only $1 because Dollar Tree. It did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. It says it has coffee powder. It didn't do anything. No deep scrubbing, no exfoliating, nothing. So I would not repurchase it. It was a waste of $1. But hey, it's Bolero, and you know, if it's Bolero, I give it a try. So I tried it, but I didn't like it. The next thing I finished up from Bath & Body Works is a 10 fluid ounce body wash. Got through those 10s. Like, y'all, only have 4 items remaining from my Project Use It Up winter. If you didn't see that video, check it out. Bath & Body Works Winter Project Use It Up. I only have 4 items remaining. I've used through so much. Y'all didn't think I could do it, huh? But I did that, yeah. But I got through the essential oils, mint leaf and bergamot. I actually finished it up right before this video because I took a shower right before this video. And I was able to use this bad boy up. So I'm happy it's used up, because it was an okay scent, but I don't like that strong bergamot, and I don't like mint leaf like heavy. Like, I don't like it. I don't know. I didn't like it in shower gel. I didn't like it. This surprised me. This surprised me that I finished this up so quick. My Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds Lotion. Focus in. There it is. It looks just like that. Finished this bad boy up. I even tried to get that little itty bitty corner. It's hardly nothing there, and I tried to get it out, y'all. I couldn't, but I tried. I have the body cream left in this, and I have 2.5 sprays. I used through half of a spray already, so I have 2 full ones and a half one left. Absolutely love this scent. The packaging was real cute, especially with the top. I should have got more of the lotion. Beat myself up that I didn't, but if I see it, since they're still putting out some SAS stuff, if I see it, I will definitely grab one. I got through a SAS item from the summer one. It's the Balm Marshmallow Magic. Again, this was in one of the products I wanted to use up by in a winter. Gone. And I mixed it with my Wet n Wild luminizer, like that's supposed to make your body glow, glisten thing. So I mixed those two together, and a nice combination gave me nice glowing skin. and I just love the smell of Marshmallow Magic. So definitely I will always repurchase it every time I see it. Dollar Tree, I did get through a charcoal facial wipe. Looks just like that, and it's used up. I get through these quite often. Sometimes I don't save them, and when I remember to save one, I just throw it in. Another Bath & Body Works product I got through is the Tutti Dulce White Mocha Kiss. I hope they bring this back. Like, this would be a nice line for them to bring back. I really enjoyed the White Mocha Kiss a lot. It's rich vanilla mocha and coconut orchid wrapped in marshmallow cream. Love it. Oh, it's so good. It's so good, so gourmand. Bring it back. They need to bring it back. Like, bring it back. I need it back, okay? I got through, let me see. I just wanted to get the body washes out. Another body wash. Justin got through this, actually. The 3-in-1 body wash shampoo conditioner. He only used it for body wash, cool water. And this was from the Dollar Tree. And he used that up. He is now upgraded to Bath & Body Works, but we still do use Dollar Trees around here, body washes. So we still have some left that he has to get through. This is a Wallflower. I try to save as many Wallflowers as I can for videos, but I normally don't end up saving them. I got through the Too Faced Festival Mystical Magic Setting Spray. So it's a makeup item, all gone. This is my second one. I used up 2 of them. I really liked it, so you know, I moved on to different things, but I went through 2 of these, and this is the second one. I threw Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin Nourishing Hand Soap. Looks just like that, and it's nasty. I'm just gonna say it like that. I would never buy a Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin thing again. I don't like the smell of pumpkin. I don't like the smell of the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I don't know what it is. I just don't like that scent. I don't know why I don't like it. I just don't. I got through a Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel. We all know what the Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel looks like. Boom. Got through this. I love Vanilla Bean Noel. I have a backup. And I even have Vanilla Bean backup too in the shower gel. This was really good, so I enjoyed it. Now it's time for it to go. Some more soaps. I got through the Candy Unicorn. I have a backup of this because I absolutely love this soap. I got through the Cranberry Peach. It has really pretty packaging. If it zooms in enough, let's see. There it is. Really pretty packaging. I really do like this. I got through, I'm not done, y'all, a Trick or Treat Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Looks just like that. Finally got through that. Proud of myself. So that's used up too. It's just a few more items, I promise, guys. I'm telling you, we get through quite a bit. Gooey Marshmallows now gone. I used up Gooey Marshmallow, haven't seen it since. Next year if it comes back out, I'll get it. I love the packaging. Look at that. That wraparound packaging is super cute. I think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it, the container, and use it for something. Like, the candle's done. But I'm going to save this container. I'm not going to throw it out because, ooh, I almost dropped it because I love the packaging. So I'm going to keep the container. I'm going to find something to use the container for because it's just too cute to throw out. I got through a True Blue Spa Malibu Smooth Body Scrub. I love Malibu. I love the Malibu Heat line. I love the True Blue Spa line. I wish it would come back. But this worked really well. It does give you a spa feeling. And just the True Blue Spa line is amazing. So I would definitely repurchase every time I see it. Got through the Vanilla Bean Noel Wallflowers 2-pack. Got through that. Proud of myself. Those are used up. What else we got here? Oh, just a few more items. Yay. I'm not going to pull every single one of these out, but I got 4 more of the Wallflower plugins. I got through those. I'm actually tossing this. This is the LA Colors lip oil. After a while, the lip oils, like, I don't like the smell they give. Like, you'd be like, you know, so the lip oil had to go. I don't know. After a while, I just wasn't feeling the smell. I got through the Black Cherry Merlot Room Spray. Smells really good. It will knock out stank within seconds. Like, your kid went number 2, 2 sprays. Just 2. You don't need more than 2. And boom. Room smells good again. So I like that. And I finished this up and oh my goodness, I did not want to even use it, but I had like 2 uses left, and I finished it up this week. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Multivitamin Booster. I'm not into the Neutrogena skin line anymore, but that's what it looks like. I wouldn't repurchase it. I'm all about that Boots number 7. Boots number 7, NARS, and Ole Henriksen is my bays. And that Evolume mask. Those are bays. That's it. So I would definitely not repurchase. Last item I got through this month is the Bahama Co little thing that goes in your car from Bath and Body Works. Oh my goodness, from the Dollar Tree. I used that up. Hey guys, that's all the products empties I used up for the month of January. Woo woo, woo woo, woo woo. Empties. I am so proud of myself for finishing up so many products. I love to be able to buy them, but if I don't use them, what's the point? Especially with body creams and stuff like that, they go bad so quick. You want to get them used up. So I love doing my project like empties, project pans, all that. And don't worry, my spring Bath and Body Works products I want to use up video will be out sometime in February, because I'm going to show you what products I'm starting to use up for the spring. Even though spring starts in March, I'm trying to get an early leap ahead because I'm already like jumping into some of my spring products because I'm getting through my winter ones so quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.